Welcome to this tutorial. We'll understand how to generate user stories, acceptance criteria, test scenarios, and test cases from just a requirement or epic in application. Let's get started. Let's go to Generation from Requirement page and select either Excel or Jira or Azure DevOps option. Here Excel would be our source file to generate user stories, test scenarios, and test cases. We will upload an Excel file containing all our epics or requirements. Do remember to label that column that contains requirements as requirements. Let's select a domain for the requirements, and then generate. We have successfully generated all user stories from our epics or high-level requirements. The generated user stories can be either exported as an Excel file or could be submitted back to Jira or Azure DevOps. We will now generate test scenarios for our requirements. We generated all possible test scenarios for our user stories. Let's go one step further and generate test cases for our test scenarios. All possible test cases pertaining to the test scenarios are generated. It not only has test cases, but other details, such as preconditions, test cases, expected result, and many more data points as we can see here. We can now decide to either download the entire report as an Excel file, consisting all our user stories, test scenarios, and test cases, or we can decide to submit back to Jira or Azure DevOps. The process remains similar for Jira and Azure DevOps, and this feature enables us to generate end-to-end reports from user stories, to test cases just from requirements or epics. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you need any further information, please reach out to our support team.